Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Analytics to Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Connecting Google Analytics to Google Ads can help you track and analyze your ad performance more effectively. Here's how you can do it. First of all, sign into your Google Analytics. Go to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. Select Property. Under the Property column, click on the Google Ads linking. Create link group. Click on the new link group and provide a name for the link group. Select Ads Accounts. Choose the Google Ads accounts you want to link and click Continue. At last, Link Accounts. Select the views you want to link to your Google Ads accounts and click Link Accounts. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.